carb and keto-friendly recipes such as this tasty breakfast sausage, egg, and cheese lasagna right here on Carblessly Delicious. Welcome, my lovely friends. I'm Betty with Carblessly Delicious, inspiring you to eat healthy without depriving yourselves, transforming traditional recipes to create low-carb and keto-friendly versions of everyday comfort foods and soul foods. To get started on our breakfast lasagna, the first thing we want to do is prepare our egg sheets, which we're going to use to replace the traditional lasagna sheets. 6 sheets have 126 grams of carbs, and my darlings, eggs have absolutely 0 carbs. Cover your sheet pan with a non-stick spray, then pour in your egg mixture, allowing it to spread evenly throughout the entire sheet. Bake in the oven at 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, we're gonna sit these eggs over here to the side and let these babies cool off a bit. You don't want to overcook your eggs. Keep in mind, once we layer our lasagna, it's all going back into the oven and the eggs will continue to cook further. Once the eggs have cooled a bit, we can go ahead and slice them into 5 equal size strips. Look at there. Using 12 eggs with a 15-inch sheet gives us the perfect thickness. Not too thin and not too thick, just perfect for layering our ingredients. Next, let's prep our veggies. I'm dicing red bell peppers and green and yellow bell peppers, onions, baby spinach, and you can add anything your taste buds desire, honey. Mushrooms, tomatoes, whatever you so please. Look at here, it's your lasagna. Customize it and make it your very own. We want to soften our veggies before we assemble our lasagna. So we're going to saute our veggies in 2 tablespoons of olive oil until our onions are translucent and the bell peppers are nicely softened. Stir in our seasoning. I'm using a dash of garlic powder, onion powder, and oregano. Season to suit your taste buds, guys. I'm just eyeing it here, no specific measurements. Moving right along to our protein. Guys, again, I'm using ground Italian sausage here for my meat, but you can swap this with turkey sausage, bacon, diced ham, or a combination of several meats if you want to. I'm gonna scramble my sausage into small bite-sized pieces like this here. And now over to our cheese sauce. And goes 1 cup of heavy cream to give us a nice thick sauce without needing to use any flour or cornstarch. And listen guys, if you need to keep your calories at a bare minimum, go with 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk instead. Only 30 calories, and you can use 2 tablespoons of xanthan gum to thicken the sauce, which has absolutely 0 carbs. Then we're going to add in a block of cheddar cheese. And guys, if you allow your cheese to set out at room temperature, it will cut like butter. Won't have to shred the cheese, just cut the slices so easily like this here and stir until it fully melts into the heavy cream. And now that we have all of our prep completed, Italian sausage, our beautiful egg sheets to separate our layers. Don't they look so lovely, guys? Wasn't that creative? Our baby spinach over here, and veggies, our mozzarella, and our Fiesta cheese blend. And of course, our delicious creamy cheese sauce. We can go ahead now and assemble our layers. Come on, guys, follow along with me while I go through this. Let's do it. how lovely she looked, guys. Oh, so lovely. Now that we have our baby all put together, let's cover her up with foil and place her in the oven, heated at 375 degrees. Let her bake for 20 minutes. Guys, doesn't that look so delicious? You can wow your guests at your next brunch, guys. Instead of serving an ordinary breakfast with sausage, scrambled eggs, and cheese, take those same ingredients and create this amazing, delicious breakfast lasagna. Instead of scrambled eggs for breakfast, these egg sheets are such a creative way to replace the pasta noodles, eliminate the carbs, and still get to enjoy all your favorite breakfast items layered together into one delicious dish. Super delicious, guys. Give this recipe a try. I know you're gonna absolutely love it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to get low-carb recipes uploaded every week, inspiring you to eat healthy and become good stewards over your earthly temples. God bless you, my darling friends. I pray above all things that you prosper and be in good health, even as your souls prosper. Cheers to divine health. Be sure to check out some of my other low-carb recipes, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.